This is a pet nail drill. It's actually to grind the cloth. And look at this. What a design. Look at the wristband. So the charging is on the bottom here, and it takes a micro USB. So I'm just gonna plug in here, and then the light indicates it's charging. The design and the weight, it's a good grip, so that has more control. Let me just see if it operates when I'm charging it. It does. So the one light, it's lower power. The second, it's a faster, a stronger. And then when you click, and then it's off. When you long press, blinking, then it's off. And it has a cap here. It comes with a micro USB charging cable. It's really nicely finished. The design and some of the instructions, it's really nicely done.